you another video, and today we're gonna be playing some Creeper Attack on the Hypixel Network. If the video starts a bit weird, that's because I have a problem with Fraps, and it's because when I record with Fraps, I record for a certain amount of time. Like Fraps decided to cut off a bit of the video, so this video will start like weird because I had it started like this, the video, but Fraps decided to cut off a bit of it, so yeah, I will play another round and we'll see how it goes. So this is just the intro. Hope you enjoyed the video, and be right back. Alright, we are back in game and we are going to try another round here. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay. 2 sec. Never mind, I'm just gonna write to him 2 seconds. We good. Alright. It's just one of my friends. Right, so, playing another round. For some reason, I played this like before I started recording, and I did make it to wave 21, and now I can't make it to 21. Like, the best I've made it so far when I've recorded like today is wave 17, and that's so bad. I don't know what's happening. We'll see how it goes now. Good. Right, they did kill the creeper. That's good. Yeah, I'm just gonna kill this creeper. What is that guy doing? Is he AFK? Oh, maybe he haven't seen the creeper yet, or I got the kill. Alright, so let's see what progress we can make. Oh, zombie is targeting me. I'm just gonna kill him. Good. I would like to hear you guys' opinion of something. I've started to try making these new thumbnails. I don't know how they look. I like the one I have on the Cops and Crims, like I uploaded it the video that I uploaded in the last week, and the thumbnail that I got in that video. I don't know if I wanna make the same of that, same like that. I have the same principle for this video, but I will do something different in the thumbnail of this video. And what I'm thinking is that I wanna die, like for some point, and I wanna fly up, take a screenshot of the map, or find something on the internet, and then like write Minecraft Creeper Attack, because I made a thumbnail where I was standing there guarding the villager with a sword in my hand, and it said Minecraft Creeper Attack, and it didn't look too good. So what I'm gonna try to do now is just to take a screenshot of the map and write Creeper Attack, Minecraft Creeper Attack. I will try, yeah. I will do the same theme with the thumbnails, but this time I'll just take a screenshot, and yeah, I think you get it. So yeah, it should look cool. Alright. It's so cold outside. We are in November and it's so freaking cold. Like, You cannot go outside without freezing. That sounds dumb, but it is really freaking cold outside. Just one. Oh, Jesus! Oh, that was the best present I could ever have gotten. That was the best present, little Mr. Zombie Pigman. Right. Right. Let's see. Let's kill this creeper. It's the only creeper left. Oh, sorry. I'm just so freaking tired today. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ham on this creeper spawn that spawns here. Oh, not again. Oh, that's a perfect present, little Mr. Zombie Baby Pigman. Alright, so let's kill the creeper. Oh, I didn't even get the zombie. Oh, the charged creeper. Supercharged creeper. Oh, he killed that creeper. So yeah, if the, like, I did the intro where I said like, hello everybody, welcome to the video, whatever. If the clip after that starts like boom, let's just starts like really weird, that's because I'm trying to fix it, but like I recorded that clip like before this, and I did the intro like I always do, and then Fraps decided to cut that out. So that's why that clip starts like a bit weird. So I just recorded a quick little intro, and then the clip afterwards, that intro is starting a bit weird because yeah, that has something to do with Fraps, and Fraps decided to cut something out, and that was the intro. So yeah. Oh, the skeleton. Skeleton, you are freaking annoying. Let's kill the zombie and the creeper. Epic music. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh. Alright, I'm just going to purchase something real quick. There we go. Come on, kill the zombie pigman. Oh, Jesus. Right, go with the skeleton. Oh, wow. Good, all good. I'm going for the normal creeper. Come at me, bro. Can't do nothing, and he's dead. Oh, we got those free mobs over here. Getting some free points to the scoreboard. I got 20. I'm in the lead right now, so that's cool. Oh, I might just watch out for both skeleton and baby zombie. Wow, that was a terrible miss. A terrible shot. Not getting. Oh, the blaze. Oh, the blaze. That hurts. Right, I did kill the blaze. All good, yeah. Right, I did kill the freaking blaze. Come on, get out of the way, stupid zombie. No, don't explode. Oof, I think it exploded. I think it did. I'm not sure. I'm not too sure. One, two, alright. 2 hits on the skeleton with a fully charged bow. No! Freaking hell! Hate this. The place over there. Come on, shoot it. Yes, got it. Oh, I'm gonna die. Again! Freaking hell. Alright, getting those mobs killed. That was close. That was so freaking close, man. I was just about to pee in my pants, so close it was. Alright. Doing good already, doing good. Oh, no, got 2 iron golems. I don't wanna try to kill it just yet. I just wanna save gold up to get the better armor, like iron armor. So that's what I'm going for currently. I got stupid. Oh, that hurts. Oh. No, he's targeting me. He's targeting me. No, that's so bad. That's so bad. That's so bad. Oh, come on. I was so close to get 750 gold so I can purchase a better. Oh, come on, really. He already is gonna take us. Oh, I was just about to take a screenshot, but I didn't reach to it, so. The creeper! Oh, right, everyone is just ignoring the creeper. Screw this, I'm running. I'm getting chased by a million mobs. Right, this is going too bad. And the game is over. And the game is over. I'm just trying to take a few screenshots here. Alright, everyone, so that was a quite interesting game. By the way, I'm trying to fix that with Skype, so yeah, I just want to say something. I said in the last video, please go down in the description below and check out Peter for Champ. He's really awesome. He made the profile picture and the upcoming 2 new modules of me and Jebsen on the channel art, so please check him out in the description below because he's really cool. And yeah, if you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe to join Team Nadus for more Minecraft content. Let's aim for 3 or 4 likes on this video. That would be awesome. And yeah, if you want to play the minigame yourself or with friends, go down in the description below and get the IPs to mc.hypixel.net, and the website is hypixel.net. If you want to see all the software we used to make videos and all the things we use in the videos, please go down in the description below and check out the section where we write all the things that we use with download links, like music and things in the videos and softwares we use to make videos. Oh, I'm so tired. Yes. So thanks all for watching. This was Raz playing Creeper Attack, and I will see you all later. Bye bye.